Bitcoin ETFs just saw their biggest inflow in months. ChainScoreNexus flow breakdown. ChainScoreNexus is tracking a strong signal from the ETF market. US spot Bitcoin funds have just booked their largest single-day inflow in months. In one trading session, close to $700 million of net new capital moved into these products, a clear shift from the quieter, choppy flow picture we saw into year-end. The move was led by the biggest issuers, but that is only half the story. Several other funds also printed positive flows, pointing to broad participation rather than a single product being chased. A long-standing trust vehicle that has been bleeding assets finally recorded a day with no outflows, and spot ETH ETFs attracted meaningful inflows on the same day. Taken together, this looks much more like coordinated re-risking than a one-off headline reaction. This pattern lines up with how major institutions now talk about the space. Crypto is being framed less as a speculative corner of the market and more as part of financial infrastructure, a base layer for settlements, tokenized assets, and stablecoin-powered liquidity rails. Within that framework, ETFs are an operationally simple way to carry BTC and ETH exposure inside traditional portfolios. ChainScoreNexus pulls all of this together by combining ETF flow data, spot and derivatives behavior, and on-chain signals so you can judge whether this latest influx is the start of a sustained allocation trend or just a brief rotation.